Act 4 Scene 1, we already gone through the introduction, and throughout this scene, as we discussed, we are going to have extreme tension. We'll feel bad for Antonio at the initial part, and at the end, we'll feel bad for Shylock. And since Shylock is going to be mistreated, his property is going to be snatched. All his wealth that is secured throughout his life is going to be handed over to Lorenzo. If we have a little bit of feelings for Shylock, that will make us think that this is less comedy, more tragedy, and hence it's a tragic comedy. Now, further, what do we have in this scene? That striking speeches, and we'll start with the speech of the Duke. What's a Duke? A Duke should value the interest of each and every individual, but here in this drama, we are going to see little difference in it. Now, the judgment is in your hand. You judge whether the Duke is correct or not, Shylock is wrong or not, and Antonio is perfect or not. So, we'll start from here. And where thou now exact the penalty. Where thou means from where. Now exact means extract the penalty. So he's asking Shylock, from where will you extract the penalty, which is a pound of this poor merchant flesh. So you will take the flesh of this merchant. His condition is already poor. So here poor stands for pathetic. Or you can also write misfortunate or unfortunate. So from where will you take the penalty? This man who is already half dead. Thou will not only lose the forfeit here. If you somehow reject the or cancel the request for penalty, you will not only lose the forfeiture. Forfeiture means that pound of flesh. So if Shylock cancels the penalty, he will not only lose a pound of flesh, but touched with human gentleness and love. But he will be touched by human gentleness and love. Everyone will start loving him. Forgive a moiety of the principle. Moiety stands for little bit. Here principle means original amount, but here it is not that one. Here it means pound of flesh. Here principle should stands for 3000 ducats, but it cannot be. It should be a pound of flesh. Glancing an eye of pity on his losses. Glancing you can write having. An eye of pity, that means sympathy. Having sympathy on his losses. See how much loss has he suffered, that have so laid so huddled on his back. Already the losses are so much that the losses have put him in trouble. So you can write accumulated on his gathered on his back or pressurize him. So huddled on his back, you can write directly for this phrase, pressurizing him. So the amount of loss he has suffered is too much that he is already under extreme pressure. So Shylock, being sympathetic, should leave Antonio in this case. That is the request from the Duke. Yes, obviously it is somewhat partial in nature. Where was this Duke when Shylock was mistreated, ill-treated? He was kicked, spitted, abused, insulted, humiliated, and attacked. Where was his thought of liberty? Where was his thought of jurisdiction and justice? So, to certain extent, he is partial. The losses are enough. Enough stands for enough. To press a royal merchant down. So, press down. That means spoil or to destroy. So the losses are enough to destroy the royal merchant Antonio. So if you take a pound of flesh, it's just nothing but taking flesh from a dead person that will be of no value at all. And pluck commiseration of his debt means be sympathetic to his condition. That means be sympathetic to his condition. Yes, state stands for condition, and he stands for Antonio. So be sympathetic towards Antonio. Look at his condition, so pathetic and painful. From brassy bosoms and rough hearts of flints. Presently, Shylock is having a bosom, that means a heart. Actually, bosom means chest, but it should be heart. Brassy means as hard as brass. So instead of keeping a heart that is as hard as brass, and instead of keeping a heart that is as rough as flint, you can write sharp also. Flint means a sharp stone. So Shylock, don't keep a heart that is as hard as brass or as sharp as flint. Don't be like. From means don't be like stubborn Turks and Tartars. These Turks and Tartars are the wild agents, wild and very attacking people of Turkey, so of Europe. So don't be as stubborn, as rough, as dangerous as the Turks or Tartars. The Turks and the Tartars never trained to the offices of tender courtesy. Never trained to offices, that means never taught to offices to display tender courtesy, that means gentleness. They are never taught to perform, to display the act of gentleness. So, Shylock, don't be like them. Don't be like the Turks and Tartars. Further, don't keep a heart as hard as brass or as sharp as flint. Instead, we all expect a gentle answer, you. We everyone want a gentle answer, a very nice answer. That means a good and humble attitude from Shylock. So they all answer a good behavior. They all want a good behavior from Shylock. Shylock, I have processed your great of what I purpose. Process means here informed. Your grace, that means your greatness. While speaking to a respected person, this is the term that is often used in merchant organizations. Shylock also used the same, Antonio also used the same term that your grace took a great pain in qualify his rigorous course. So grace means greatness. So Duke, you are great, and I have already informed what I purpose. That means what I want. And by our holy Sabbath, by our means by the name of Holy Sabbath is the seventh day of the week. That is Saturday. Or a holy Saturday. I have sworn, I have taken an oath. That means taken an oath to have the due and forfeit of my bond. So I'll take the due as well as the penalty of my bond. If you deny it, if you reject, you stand for the Duke. If the Duke rejects that proposal, let the danger light upon your charter. What is charter? And your city's freedom. Charter stands for agreement. Now, this city of Venice was given dominion status. It was given a kind of freedom, partial freedom, with a charter, with an agreement that though it is a part of Italy, it can have its own constitution, law, regulation, and the state of Venice can perform these things without any obligation. The Shylock is saying if his justice is denied, question will be raised. People will raise question upon the freedom of expression, freedom of religion of this particular city, Venice. And further, the charter that has provided Venice the freedom will be under question. You will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3000 ducats. It's a common question to be asked by anyone, that why I'm choosing a weight of carrion flesh, that means dead flesh, than to receive 3000 ducats. Shylock could take 3000 ducats, that would be more profitable. So that is a common question. I will not answer that. Similarly, we have the rights to speak. We also have the right not to speak. So he will not give any answer for that one. But say it's my humor. But say it's my wish. But say it is my wish to take the place and I am legally awarded. Is it answered? Now look at his attitude towards the Duke. The way he is speaking to the Duke. He is telling that it's my wish to take a pound of flesh and I will take it. And there will be no question about it. So such rough, tough, and powerful behavior that is performed by Shylock. It is hard to say whether it should be respected or it should be criticized. It's upon you. You take the option, whatever you want, you can do. You can both criticize as well as you can pay respect to this statement. Thank you.